Alright, well, by the looks of it, it looks like it's been raining for the majority of the day today. The sun is just trying to creep its way out of the clouds back there. So we're going to be going for a very short and quick stroll here by the canal. We're going to check out the lake. This time of year, by now, the lake should be mostly thawed out. At least 80–85% thawed out. So we're going to have a quick little stroll here by the canal and check out the lake. And as you can see, the majority of the lake here, at least by the canal here, is thawed out. So we're going to go a little bit deeper down there and see exactly how much of the actual lake is thawed out. So basically the entire canal here is completely and entirely thawed out. It's a nice day today. It's actually like plus 12 outside. Plus 12 degrees Celsius. So we're going to have a look in just a minute here. See just how much of the actual lake itself is thawed out. So yes, the majority of the lake itself, of Lake Wilcox, is actually thawed out, which is a very welcoming sign because the warm weather, of course, has officially arrived here in southern Ontario. The ravine / canal here is completely and entirely thawed out here. We're going to get on the bridge and look at some Canadian geese. Well, I got just under a minute of battery life remaining, so I hope you enjoy this quick little stroll here by the canal, by the lake. A little sounds, I should say, of nature and wildlife. Folks, as always,
catch you in the next video.